Hey everyone! Looking to give your home a stylish makeover without burning a hole in your wallet? I've got you covered with some budget-friendly interior design tips you need to know. First up, let's talk about paint. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders, and it's one of the most cost-effective ways to change the vibe of a room. Go for light, neutral colors to make spaces look bigger and brighter. Next, consider DIY wall art. Instead of splurging on expensive pieces, get creative. Frame some of your favorite photos or try your hand at some simple abstract art. Trust me, it adds a personal touch and saves you money. Ever thought about multifunctional furniture? Pieces like sofa beds or storage ottomans are fantastic because they serve more than one purpose. Plus, they help keep your space clutter-free. Now, let's talk lighting. Swap out those old bulbs for LED lights. They're energy efficient and last longer. Also, consider adding some chic floor lamps or string lights for a cozy ambiance without splurging. Rugs and cushions are another affordable way to update a room. Mix and match colors and patterns to add some flair. Trust me, it can transform a dull room into something lively and inviting. And don't forget about plants. They're a cheap way to bring life and color into your home. Whether it's succulents or hanging plants, they can make a big difference. Lastly, hit up thrift stores or online marketplaces for some unique and budget-friendly finds. You can discover some real gems that add character to your space without the hefty price tag. So there you have it. Affordable interior design tips that'll make your home look fabulous without breaking the bank. Happy decorating! For more personalized interior design solutions, consult Barde Infra. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interior design tips.